Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, I'm going to talk through all the biggest headlines in the space, the stuff that we need to be kept up to date on. But more importantly, we're going to touch on Ethereum because I do have an awful lot of concerns and we're going to dig into those in this video. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Right, let's get down to the desktop. So we're going to start here on coin market cap as we traditionally do. The total global crypto market cap is standing at $1.04 trillion, up 0.54% in the last 24 hours. We got Bitcoin at 26,747.02 and Ethereum at 1,544.72, which is down 6.2% in the last 24 hours. Matter of fact, have we noticed how the trending and biggest losers have all been removed today? Now that is rather interesting. Just noticed that live recording. So yeah, let us know why you think that's happened. Are they looking to make some changes? Did they watch my video yesterday talking about having the biggest losers trending, or the biggest trending losers? I can't remember what I said, but maybe they're going to add that in. Who knows? Probably not. Right, let's sort of move on. Let's get into a lot of the news aspect of things. And I want to start with Ethereum, right? Because I've got some pretty strong concerns when it comes to Ethereum. I think that there's worrying times ahead. Ethereum has dropped 1.9% in the last 7-month low as crypto buckles further following inflation data. It's not really down to just the inflation data. I love some of these headlines. But look, Ethereum has been slowly decreasing in price. But there are some concerns, right? I've raised the fact that I have concerns around security, the fact that, you know, the main people involved like Vitalik and those lot, the devs, they're not really staking an awful lot of ETH. And this is mainly because of security concerns, right? They've also got this admission that it's really centralized and now they're copying Cardano's approach when it comes to the staking mechanism. Yeah, the foundation has sold a significant amount of ETH recently and, you know, they've got good form for selling somewhere near the top. So are they expecting a big price pullback like I am? Potentially. But, you know, those are some concerns, and I'm going to come on to some more here. We've got Ethereum to lose 40% against Bitcoin, according to a top crypto expert. And this is Benjamin Cohen talking about the fact that Ethereum is going to lose traction against Bitcoin. And I kind of, you know, foresee this happening. And, you know, look, we're already seeing, like, you know, some pretty interesting data, right? We look here, this is total value locked, this one here, and it's still on, you know, the down, it's going down, right? You know, this is really concerning. I mean, it was up here at like total value locked, and now we're right down here. It is rather concerning. And it's not looking good. When you actually, you know, measure that against some of the other projects in the space, we take Cardano for example, it's the polar opposite. It's an adoption. Whereas Ethereum, people seem to be leaving Ethereum. I don't know if they're going to the layer 2s and staying on Ethereum, whether they're moving to other, you know, layer 1s that, you know, use Solidity. I really don't know at this stage, but it is really interesting. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Moving on, we've got Bitcoin is currently neither bullish or bearish, according to a trader here. Look, there's just so much nonsense in this space. It's not bearish, it's not bullish. What is it then? What the F is it? I'll tell you, it is bearish, right? There isn't really a lot of liquidity. You know, the bounces are weak, and you know, I think that spot ETF approval could change all of that. But without that, I think we're going to have some volatility. But I did say I expect October to be a green month. And, there is, I guess a chance with, all these wars going on, the printers could be, fired up. And this is something that I'm monitoring. Now, I still believe that we've got to have another lower low, but we could see some upside before we get that. It's just, my views, my opinions. Really interested to get people's views and opinions. So do let me know in the comments below. We've done a stellar job throughout this bear market. We've been, impeccable with what we've been trying to, predict so far. But look, there's still a chance that we've got it completely wrong, right? And I want to be clear, it's a moving target, right? We talk about lower lows now, there could be something that happens that, a black swan event that changes all of that, or it delays all of that. And that's where I'm kind of sat at the moment. I'm expecting a bit of a delay to the lower lows, but we'll see what happens, right? Again, moving target. Tomorrow I could be saying something completely different because something that we didn't know about has happened, and we know about it now. So there's so many moving parts. I want to be really clear on this, because we us influencers, I hate that term, but anybody on crypto YouTube that makes a prediction, people are pinning their hopes on you being wrong. And, what they don't tend to understand and they don't tend to explain is it's a moving target and things can change somebody's prediction, right? And I want to be really clear on that. It's a very complicated market at the moment. And I think a lot of people would agree with me on that, right? Warren Buffett revealed to be quietly making bank from Bitcoin and crypto amid price swings. So look, we're seeing a lot of these traditional investors, big time investors, right? Warren Buffett is just one of several that are making tons of cash from investing indirectly in cryptocurrency. Now, Warren Buffett has invested in a company called Nubank. Nubank was the bank that Warren Buffett had invested in. Sorry about that. And look, he's making money off the back of them making money with exposure to cryptocurrency. So interesting stuff. One to be aware of. We've got stablecoin. Tether promotes tech chief to CEO taking over from mysterious crypto leader. Interesting move, one that I think is quite positive, but let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. And we got the G20 adopts IMF FSB synthesis paper on crypto regulation. So yeah, look, we are starting to see a lot of these governments using very similar / same approaches to regulation. I think the UK have gone down the same approach as the US, through the FCA. Terrible decisions being made here, but it's interesting to see how all of these regulations are going to come to fruition long term, because I think there's a lot of mistakes being made, and I think that there will be an acceptance that things need to change in time. But let me know your thoughts, your opinions on everything that I've covered today. Real big concerns surrounding Ethereum. Got to say that I am aligned with some of the things that I've seen in the headlines today. Not always the case, but it is the case today. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on everything that we've covered off. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.